All right, my hook for my students to get them engaged in class. Here on my screen, you'll see I have a crash course for U.S. history. I usually like to start off my units with John Green. He does a good job of really summarizing what's to come in my next unit, and he follows uh, my curriculum fairly closely as far as what we were getting ready to cover. So this always works well. The students really like this. And what I tend to do with John Green is I'll use Edpuzzle with him, and I will put in video questions of the video as they read it, which would work really well for an online class. What I do is have the kids grab a computer out of our cart and they watch it individually, and then they can go through it. So this works really well to get them engaged in what we're getting ready to talk about in the unit. And then as I go throughout my unit, if we look over here, for this section, at the beginning of all my sections, I will have what I call my essential question. So for section 2 of chapter 6, it's how did U.S. gain allies during the Revolutionary War? This is just to get them thinking about what we're looking at for each section. So those are my two big things that I like to start off my class talking about to get them engaged in what we're doing. As far as online use, I think both of these would work well. I like the face-to-face. I use this Cast-O-Matic that I'm using right now quite a bit for when I'm not in class. If I have to do, like this year, we're redoing our curriculum, so I've had to miss several days of school being at central office, so I'll use Cast-O-Matic, and I can have still that face-to-face with the students and have them see me and really be able to teach them without having to be in the classroom and not just giving the subs some busy work for the students to do. So it works out well for me. I think that's all I have for you. Thanks.